Well, this is what happens when you spend about 2 hours weeding the garden. I'm rather exhausted. Got a little bit more here. It's a nice path here. We got a nice big pile of weeds there. Nice big pile there. Small one there. Small one at the other section. Oh, now look at this. That is all that remains. I don't know, 4 by 4 feet maybe. I'm gonna finish up this section right here, just so that the spaghetti squash get a little bit more aeration, get airflow going here. Corn, unfortunately, doesn't look all that great, but that's what happens when you neglect taking out the weeds. And I mean, I wasn't too sure we would get anything anyway, so all things considered, not too bad. But a little bit of weeding left, probably another couple of hours, I would think. And the rest of the garden, just have to give it a nice watering. Looked like it was gonna rain again, but I'm not relying on the weather anymore because the garden has seemed to be suffering a little bit. So I'm sure you guys could see that, how some of these yellow bean plants are yellow, and then we got the green ones. So not an even watering from the thunderstorms and rain that we had lately. So anyway, that concludes today's little update. I know I mentioned earlier that I lost my uncle, and yeah, I mean, it's gonna take me a little bit to process that loss, but I know that he would want me to, be happy and keep doing what I'm doing. And well, gardening is a form of therapy. It's a passion of mine, my little hobby garden. So I'm just gonna keep on plugging away at my passions in my life, and keep sharing what I can, and hopefully bring other people some happiness into their life by sharing what I love to do. And he was a great influence for me, and inspiration and everything. So hopefully what I do with my life can do what he did for mine. And yeah, so anyway, hobby garden. Today's well, work went well. Weeding went well and everything, so kind of rambling right now, but yeah, pretty good day, rather productive. Don't know what I'm gonna do with all those yellow beans I got, but anyway, I'll have some more updates later on. I'll go over some more details. I'm gonna finish weeding this eventually. This little patch is not important anymore. It's just this little section. It's not little, but it's pretty big. Try to dig out all the corn, see if we can get something from it, and then just keep on plugging away at these episodes and see what comes of it. So for now, that will be it for today. So if you guys are out in your gardens or planning to start a garden, just know that it's not always easy, but when you get a little bogged down and you get an afternoon or a day off and you get to do something like this, is really rewarding and helps take your mind off things, and especially for me, all things considered. So, well, Anyway, that'll be it for today, and stay tuned for more.